In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store to download free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. This one. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then tap on Consent in the pop-up, and click on this gear at the top left corner to operate all of those options however you wish to, and check out Preview at the top. You can also try something more interesting by hitting presets on the left, tapping on the best one for you, choosing yes and adjusting its settings over here. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper, hit yes, tap on Apply over here, and exit Magic Fluids app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!